How are we getting on? I'm just out here in the docks, my favourite place. This beautiful vessel here, look at it. It's the Wagon Board, and as you can see, it's got nice grey and red going through it now. I just thought I should talk about this beautiful vessel, this beautiful engineering right here. And unfortunately, I can't actually captain the boat, so I can't actually give you a review on how it drives, or sails, or whatever the fuck. But I can just tell you, there's definitely people creaming themselves over this vessel.